So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share the recipe of the dal makhani and naan. So let's start with video. So here is maida. Now in maida we are going to put 1 spoon of baking powder, and this baking powder we are adding 2 spoons, some salt, now after adding milk we are going to put some curd. But before that I forgot to tell you guys, we have put one spoon of sugar also. Now we are going to mix them well after adding curd. So as you can see guys, the atta is almost ready. This atta is of maida. The maida is according to the members of your family. Means if you have 5 members, you can put as the measurement of your maida. So for this we need this मैसूर की काली दाल and rajma, which should be soaked together for 12 hours. Now in this kadai we have put pour some ghee, and now we have poured some oil. Now in this we have poured badi elaichi and there's some sweet thing, I don't know. I have put in that was tomato puree, and now we are grinding some ginger in that after heating it for some time. And now tomato puree. Now we have to cook it well for 7-8 minutes till the puree cooks, and we have to mix it continuously. So in this there are the mixture of red chili, haldi, dhania, garam masala, kasuri methi and some salt, and some dal makhani, 2 spoons of dal makhani masala. So these mixture we have put in this, in which we have put that tomato puree. The gas should be on low flame, means high flame. As you can see, we have put it on high flame. So guys, and as you can see, the tomato puree is almost ready. So we have to mix it well because the tomato puree should be cooked. And in this mixture we have put some water also. So this mixture in which we have mixed that all. Now after this texture came of the puree, you have to put that mixture in it. And as you can see, some dark color has been appear from the mixture only, and we have to cook it for 7 to 8 minutes continuously. We have to mix it. Our puree should not be burned. That's why we have to mix it continuously. And our gas is on low flame, and we are cooking this puree on the low flame only. So after that we have put in some now in this we have put black urad ki dal, and now we are going to put rajma also, and now we are going to mix it well. After adding some water, we are going to mix it well. So guys, now we have to mix it well because we are making the dal makhani like the restaurant one. So that's why the secret item is this only. They mix it for hours. That's not hours, minutes, like 15-20 minutes. They mix continuously. That's why. So our dal makhani is almost ready. Now we have to put some coriander leaves for getting the restaurant like look also. So this restaurant like look. Now we are going to make naan. So our gas should be heated nicely and our gas is on, as you can see, low flame. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take some atta, means which after we have made for naan with maida, we are going to take this maida and we are going to, now we have to roll our naan. You can, it's your option. You have to boil the naan, sorry, not boil, roll the naan on the, on the marble you have, or on the stand where you make rotis or you put our things. So that is your choice, the shape and the size. Now we are putting some water except of oil. Now we are going to we have not greased the tawa. We have just put in like this only. So as you can see, some bubble like texture is coming on naan. That means our naan will be delicious. It is looking like also. And this naan, as I have told you, this naan is cooking at the low flame. So guys, I am showing this while cooking continuously. That's why the same, that is coming, same photo. Now after it cooks, we are cooking like this from the gas directly. We have put the we have put our tawa on the other gas which is not on. Our naan is almost ready. Almost. My mouth is watering. As you can see. Now we are putting some butter for looking its texture in the very smoothie way.